Hello friends, what's up? Today I am going to tell you how you can activate, use and enable and disable Google Gboard Floating Keyboard. So this floating keyboard is very useful and provided by Google only. So first you need to download this from Play Store. You type Gboard keyword Google. This keyword type. Install this. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Click on enable in settings. Enable it from here. Select input method. Click on Gboard and it's done. Select the language. I am selecting English, so you can select your preferred language. Okay, click on done. Now go to the area where you want to type the content. Okay, so here I want to type text. Okay, so click here. Now you can need to click on these three dots. Here you can find this floating option. Click on floating. Select this. You can float the keyboard anywhere you want. You can start typing, float it down, start typing. You can do anything. You can float it anywhere you want. Now you need to disable it. Just press this and move it down at the bottom. Just put it and drag it till the bottom. You can see it is removed. You need to just press it and drag it till the bottom. Okay, so this is removed. Now you will be having same normal keyboard. Okay, you can start typing in normal keyboard. So I think you will be able to use and type using this floating keyboard, and this is none other than by Google only. And I will also share the app link in the description below. Okay, so in case you find this floating keyboard app useful, then you can download it and use it, and in case you face any problem, just comment below and I will try to resolve your issue ASAP. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.